Hello, dear engineers. I used to introduce myself in each and every lecture which I uploaded on my YouTube channel. Till today, I have uploaded my lectures on different topics like the layout of the building, housekeeping and cleaning of construction projects, reasons of failure of construction projects, part 1, part 2 and part 3 on topic of concrete technology, and lastly I have uploaded my lecture on topic of formwork part 1. Now this time I'm going to continue the same topic, and part 2 of the topic on the topic of formwork is here. Please go through that and see my introduction in my slide. Thank you very much. Dear engineers, in this slide number 2 and in every lecture I advise the engineers, if you are engaged on any construction project, in addition to acquiring or getting diploma, bachelor's degree or master's degree in engineering, you have to be equipped yourself with technical and practical knowledge so that you can resolve day-to-day critical issues at construction project, and you can run and complete the project satisfactorily and smoothly. So once again I advise you to please learn the practical issues and how to resolve the practical issues. You have to learn all these things from your colleagues, from your superiors, even from the workers. So I will be thankful to you if you please listen to me and do the same thing what I am telling you. Thank you very much. Dear engineers, now we are in slide number 3, in which we will discuss about the brief description of formwork and reference to my previous lecture. In my previous lecture on topic of formwork part 1, we discussed about the description of the formwork, type of formwork, selection of the formworks and de-shuttering of formwork. Just to refresh, I would like to briefly highlight again the description of formwork or the shuttering. Shuttering is also known as formwork and is a temporary structure used in construction to support the concrete until it hardens and attains the full compressive strength. Different methodologies for different types of formworks are suitable based on the shape, the size and the type of concrete and the type of concrete member. We will discuss detailed methodology for installation of various types of shuttering in upcoming slides. So please go through all the slides carefully and read it and listen to me. Thank you very much. Engineers, in slide number 4, important issues is going to be discussed about the methodology of timber shuttering. We will review the basic necessities of the shuttering, requirement of the shuttering and requirement of the material. So the in material includes the plywood or timber boards or planks, wood props or bracing of the supporting for the shuttering, steel strips or masking tape or any other sealant, nails or screws, tools to install the shuttering. Now we'll go through the methodology. Measure the shuttering items carefully as per the drawings and as per the specification. Assemble the shuttering as per the drawings and as per the specification. Support and installation. Install the wood props carefully so that the wood props should be straightened vertically. There should not be any prop with the corner headed. Sealing the joint, there are any gaps, you have to seal the joints with masking tape or steel strips or any sealant. Check the edges are okay. Secure the panels. Use the clamps, ties or stakes. Install the reinforcement. If the slab and beams and columns are reinforced, you have to carefully install the reinforcement without disturbing the shuttering. Vibration is to be done without disturbing the shuttering or delocation. Remove the shuttering. Removal of shuttering or de-shuttering is very important. You have to take care that no shuttering should be damaged, and the parts of the shuttering are stacked properly. Inspection of the damages. If there is any damaged part, you have to get it repaired. Safety is important and most important issue. All the staff and the workers to wear the PPE, the personal protective equipment. So all these things are taken care. Then wooden shuttering can be reused, and you can get the best result out of the timber shuttering. Thank you. Slide number 6 about the plastic shuttering. We have to go through the methodology and the requirements of the material. The material required for the plastic shuttering is plastic panels, supporting elements and fasteners. The methodology we are going to discuss very briefly. Number 1 is site preparation. As for the other type of shuttering, we have to do the site preparation in plastic shuttering also, that the site should be clean and even. Panels arrangement. Panels of plastic panels are arranged as per the design specification and as per the drawings. Connections. Use the unlocking mechanism or fastener to secure panel rigidly, and is to be assured that the panels should not open at any time. Support installation. Position supports to maintain the panel stability and should not be D-shaped. Alignment check. Confirm that the panels are aligned and leveled correctly. Sealing the joint. Use appropriate sealant to prevent the water leakage from the concrete, as we discussed in other shutterings also. Alignment and check. Confirm that the panels are aligned and leveled correctly. Sealing the joints, as we discussed earlier also and in this slide also, that use the appropriate sealant to prevent the water leakage from the concrete. Inspection is very necessary. Check the entire setup for stability and constantly before the pouring and after the pouring of the concrete. Monitor the shuttering from the bottom and deploy the skilled workers in bottom of the slab, especially when the pouring is going on and while the shuttering is de-shutter. Thank you very much. Dear engineers, now we are in slide number 5. In this slide we will discuss about the methodology of steel shuttering. The material required for the steel shuttering is normally few items I am going to highlight is steel plates, steel props and supports, bolts and clamps. Now the methodology. Methodology is concerned for the steel shuttering or any other type of shuttering. All the planning is to be done in each and every type of shuttering. Site preparation is to be done for each and every type of shuttering. Similar to the timber shuttering, ensure the site is clean and level. Panel arrangements. Lay out the steel panels according to the design specification and drawing. Connecting the panels. Use bolts and clamps to secure the panels together. Ensure all the connections are tight. Prop installation. Install the steel props to support the shuttering, which should be all the vertical and aligned. Adjust the height as required and as necessary for the shuttering of the slab. Alignment check. Use leveling instrument to ensure that the shuttering is aligned correctly. Seal the joints. Use sealant at joints to prevent the leakage of the water from the concrete. Bracing and inspection. Add bracings and inspections to entire structure for integrity before the pouring of the concrete. So all these cares are taken, including the safety of the staff and the workers is the most important issue which has to be taken in any type of installation of the shuttering. Thank you. Slide number 7. Aluminium shuttering. You know that aluminium shuttering is the most expensive but durable and can be reused several times, hence becomes cost effective. Material for the aluminium shuttering is aluminium panels readily available in the market. Props and clamps are also available in the market. Connection places, different sizes of connectors are required. Now the methodology. In discussing the methodology, number one comes the same as earlier: preparation of measurements and preparation of the site. Panel setup. Lay out the aluminium panels, ensuring they fit together correctly. Connection. Use clamps and connectors to secure panels, ensuring tight connection for the structural integrity. Support installation. Install props to support the panels. Sealant to be used for filling the gaps and avoid leakage of the water from the concrete. Final inspection and safety are two most important issues. The inspection is to be done that all the parts of the aluminium shuttering are fixed properly, and safety is also one of the important issue when the workers are working below the slab especially, and above the slab also, and pouring the concrete. So doing the aluminium shuttering, because it is sharp edges, so security and safety is important for the workers. Quality control. Regular check for the wear and damage to the shuttering materials during the installation to be done. Dismantling. After concrete has cured, carefully dismantle the shuttering, ensuring not to damage the members of the aluminium shuttering. Dismantle after concrete has cured, carefully dismantle the shuttering, ensuring not to damage the concrete as well as the shuttering material. Thank you very much. Now, engineers, this part 2 of formwork is going to be concluded. In this conclusion, we will discuss about the general consideration for the different type of shuttering. Some common precautions and norms are to be adopted for all types of shuttering and the methodology of shuttering during the installation. Number one is safety precautions for all the site team is mandatory. Always monitor the environment and weather and avoid effects of pre-shuttering and post-shuttering. While the operation of the de-shuttering, all the precautions to be taken. all the shutters stuff to be taken properly and safely and staked in a secured place. Quality control is most of the important issue and to be maintained during and after the installation of shuttering, after the pouring and after the de-shuttering. So by following these methodologies, the shuttering can be installed effectively and safely. Ensure the successful formation of concrete structure also. So we have learned a few lessons from the installation and methodologies of the shuttering. I hope it's useful for you. I request you to question each and every slide. Thank you very much. Dear engineers, in each and every lecture, in my final slide, I am very much thankful to you to listen to me and go through the text of the slide, because both are different from each other. I cannot cover each and everything in my text in slides, so I am talking to you and you can listen to me carefully. All the slides are to be carefully taken care of by you, and I request you and offer you to question and give your comments. Your comments are very important for me. At the same time, I request you each and every time, and again I am requesting you to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as engineers in your groups, supervisors in your groups, or any trade of people in your group, so that excuse me, so that they can get some practical and technical knowledge from these lectures. So I'll be thankful to you, and I'm thankful again if you subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as engineers, supervisors, and workers in your contact. Thank you very much, and goodbye, and see you again.